If you want to enjoy Free Fire and have a 10 out of 10 experience, you must change these settings to have high and smooth graphics on Free Fire using your iPhone. Here's how you can set high graphics settings for your iPhone. To set high graphics settings, open the Free Fire app, tap Settings, select Display. Now if you are using the Pro Max model, select Ultra, or if you're not using the Pro Max series, then select Smooth. Then set a higher refresh rate if this supports your device. Turn on Shadow. Select Ocean from the filter setting. Also set a high FPS setting for your iPhone. Also tap the network. Just toggle the optimization on your device. And there you go. That's how you can set incredible graphic settings for your iPhone. Now if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.